Today, we're gonna hit you guys with some fucking tomahawk. Ciao! Let's go. Some light soy sauce. All over. Get some seasoning. Let's see. They say they're super proof. Let's check this out. We're gonna do nothing fancy. Only mesquite, some fire, grill, let's go. No egg, no pebbles, no nothing. Do this, man. You clean this shit with the cebolla. Like, I mean, goddamn Mexican. So your fire chill out. Put your tomahawk. Ciao! Let's sear it. 4 minutes, flip it around. After 4 minutes, I flip it around. See how dummy proof these are. Put it to the side. Another 9 minutes, little flipping and roasting. 136, let's take it off. Wrap it. We're 5, 1 flip, flip it, another 5, then out the flame, 12 minutes, then 9 minutes in the flame, roasting it until we have 136, wrap it 5 minutes, and this is the stage we're at. We're gonna go. Ooh. Let's flip this bad boy. No. There you go. Look how medium rare that bad boy is. I can't leave you guys with some of this. Ciao! Just because we're fatties. Oof. Oof. Look how fat that. Seriously, tender. Final plate, right there. Ciao! Saludcita.